Good morning, guys. I just finished cleansing my face and I'm jumping into the shower right after this. But today is maintenance day, which is one of my favorite days because I get to do something that is relaxing and therapeutic. Maybe not one of the things that I'm about to mention because I've been going there for like so many years now. I think about like 6 years, and it still be feeling like that's my first time. That thing is painful. If you guess what I'm about to say, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you guessed it. And what I'm talking about is waxing. I don't think I'm ever going to get comfortable with it or like feel no pain. But the other thing that I also have to get done is to get my nails done, which is the relaxing and therapeutic part because I just sit there, feel like a princess, and they do my nails. I don't have an appointment to get my phone fixed, but I need the screen protector removed because the crack on it right now, if I don't get it replaced, it's going to get worse. It's going to shatter more. And as a fine girl, I shouldn't be walking around with a cracked screen. So we're going to get that fixed today. I'm going to make a quick stop at the Apple store. And by God grace, I hope it's not going to be packed. I want to just get it fixed and be back home because I need to come do some makeup, some collaboration makeup on this Ghana girl, my fellow Ghanaian. I have a collaboration to do on this lady. Her name is Nicola, and this is my first time meeting her. So I'm hoping that everything is going to go great and she'll love her makeup. So, with that being said, I'm going to see you guys later.
So I'm about to walk into the Apple store to get my screen fixed because the screen protector is broken and I can't keep it for long anymore. So I got just to get it replaced. I'm about to go in and ask if they could do it for me for free. Wish me luck, but I feel like they're gonna do it for me because I have to get a new charger because my charger is literally crying for its life. So let's go in and see what they're gonna do for me. It's gonna be free. He said the warranty that I have on my screen protector, I could get it for life and I could get it fixed for free. Oh, hi. I be dropping my phone like crazy, so this is a good investment. I can't even remember how much I bought the screen protector for, but I had a warranty on it, so I'm gonna bring my phone more to get it fixed.
Hey guys, so I'm Nicola. I never got to introduce myself. She just started doing makeup on me, but hey. Today I'm getting a random look. I don't know what she's doing, but hopefully it looks nice. If it doesn't, I'll tell her, but it's gonna look nice. It's her. Get into the look. Oh my god. Look at the highlight. Everything. Like, guys, take me out, but don't take me out. I have a boyfriend. But take me out. Not like, do you guys look at the cheekbone?
Hey,
Look at the cheek. Look at the eyes. Let me close my eyes.
turn this way.
Ah,
Yeah, period.
oh my. I wish I looked like this. I look like a filter.
But
She ate. Hold on. Get into it. Do you see the blend? Or is it
Show them.
Or is it just me? Look at the. Hey, my Ghanaian babe. She ate me up and ate all you makeup artists up.
Period.